Hello, my name is Nelia Parlero. I'm 41 years old with one kids and also I have a partner. I have a work experience in Malaysia for 2 years. My main duties there are taking care of kids age 4 years old and 3 months old baby. Do cleaning, um, prepare foods for the children and cleaning after meals, do household chores and ironing and wash clothes. And also in Lebanon, I do the housekeeping, cleaning, and also washing and ironing. And I am patient, nurturer, creative, responsible, and adaptive, and communicative, with genuine love for children and reliable, being dependable and consistent in childcare responsibilities. I can work alone and I prepare to taking care of kids. Thank you and check my profile in Helper Library app.